MATX stock analysis and MATX stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. And I'm the only guy in this stocks trading space that has done 40,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years and it's all proof on my YouTube channel, so you can literally check it out. So in this particular instance, with Matson, we took the highs out, which is pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, there you go. This is where we are. And ultimately, man, only if I see the price actually, well, this is great. Only if I see the price actually pulling down and giving me some sort of a double break, I'm going to continue to buy. Like, there is just no freaking way that I'm buying unless there is a confirmation. And actually, this, I do think it's a very good setup. So I'll continue to keep you updated. What I'll be doing though, like in the meantime, I'll just be waiting for rules, and if they're not met, not buying. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye.